Dot. H A S. Dot has a H A T. Dot has a hat.
Good job.
Dot has a cat. Cat.
You know what that word is?
T H E T ed.
Yeah, it's the. Remember that word is always the, and it doesn't really sound like it looks.
The cat has a hat.
Good job.
Dot has a dog. Dog has a hat.
Very nice. This page.
Dog has a rat hat.
Very nicely done.
Sad dog. Sad dot sad cat.
Very nice.
Dog. H A T. Dog has a.
What's this one?
Dog has a. No. Dog has on a. Dog has on a rat hat.
Good job. Brag hat, right? Good job. Okay, why don't we do a new one?
Wait, we didn't do a page.
This is always the.
Always the.
No, I mean that word is always the.
Always the. Always the.
What's this word say?
No, the. Always the end.
All right.
Good job.